Yo. All right, guys, welcome in, welcome in. I am actually going to use this one. Here we go. Nope. Man, I don't know what's going on, guys. Hold on. There we go. All right, my bad. We're going to get this fixed right up here. There we go. All right, guys, we are live. So welcome in, everyone. Let's make sure everything's set up right before we do anything crazy. Here we go. Welcome in. So we have FOMC this week. We have rollover. It's already rollover. You should already be rolled over. We have done rolled over. And we have more volume, right, on the U contract, on the September contract. If you're trading MES and NQ, I'm not actually sure about all the different contracts out there and the expiration dates, but right now I'm just trading MES and a little bit of MNQ. So we got that rollover happening. We got more volume on the new contract. So I'm going to go ahead and start looking at this VWAP trade. We have a potential for a double break. It actually would have possibly set up here. And so maybe I got lucky that I didn't get in that. It would have paid. That one would have already paid for a scalp. So let's see if we break back up into this range. And I think we're good. How's it look, Joe? We look good? Right. What's up, Ritu? Wow, look at that go. So we scalped it up a little bit this morning. Let's see if we get this break back into the range. It does look like we're kind of getting this round at top here, though. If we go to the 30-minute, let's see what this looks like. I wouldn't call it round at top. Definitely very volatile. So look at this. We're making this big push down right now. And how loud is this song right now? Oh, man, it's really loud. Okay, might be. And we're going to just keep the music going, though. We'll keep it quiet. All right, so it's all locked in here over there, guys. I am interested in the trending profile that we have right now. If we look at the market profile, the volume profile, no top. I was actually wondering, I was kind of curious that maybe we'd get a topping tail here. And we do have a little bottom single print that I already drew on from previous day. Oh yeah, from current day, we do have a little topping tail. Only one order block. Right there. All right, so that I'm going to look at that as a little protection for our order. And look at this tripled node here on the TPO chart. So yeah, I'm still open to continuation here. Let's see if we can get back above the VWAP and see if previous day point of control will hold as support. Otherwise, I will also, well, not otherwise, but I also want to make sure I'm locked into the right accounts. So I have a group of FundedNext accounts, guys. Big shout out FundedNext. We're going to be doing some FundedNext giveaways too. So make sure to stay tuned for those. If you want to get 10 extra entries into the next 4 FundedNext giveaways, fill out the form in the description, or not the form, but use the link in the description to sign up for FundedNext. So if you already have a FundedNext account, there's gonna be other ways and many other giveaways. Like right now, we're looking at, I got a list here somewhere. Oh yeah, we have giveaways. So tomorrow, I'm gonna try to run one on the new short on Instagram and YouTube. So Lunamod will drop those links here in chat. I think, did we publish that 200K video? I think that one got published yesterday. So I should have talked to Lunamod first, but we're going to do a comment, right, on that video. That's going to be the next top 1 futures. And then what I'm thinking, guys, so vlog 5 is out. So there's a giveaway instruction somewhere in vlog 5, and that's gonna be for a Lucid giveaway. Okay, so watch vlog 5 and figure out how to get into that Lucid giveaway. Guys, I've been using Atos more and more, and I really want to encourage everyone to give it a shot for free using my demo link. And we have a heat map now with Atos. So I'm just going to start using it. And my goal is to actually switch from Bookmap, cut down on my subscriptions that I'm paying for, and use Atos for the heat map. And so we can have an all-in-one platform for everything. You can copy trade in Atos. You can use the heat map in Atos. You can trade your personal capital, everything in here, footprint charts, volume profile, like everything that you want in Atos. So I'm going to try to encourage everyone to check out that link and check out the demo account. You get delayed data. You get certain data delayed that you can try it out with. And Atos also has a really good back testing feature as well. So you can replay mode and trade and everything. So I'm going a little deeper myself before I make any videos about it, but I'm going to release some content on Atos. What's up, XT Millionaire? What's up? What's up? How can you enter? Links should be in the description. And here we go. Comment on this short to get entered in a TOF giveaway. That's for an Elite Challenge 50K account. And then for the Atos demo account, check this out right here. It's free. That's just free. So I am going to keep my eyes peeled for this VWAP trade on the 1 minute chart. And so this one I'm going to copy trade in. Oh, that's a big stop. Not too crazy though. We can handle that. That we can handle. So this one, if I'm going to do it in my 50K accounts that I'm only doing for VWAP, create limit order. Oh, that's so annoying. Okay, so I gotta log out. Exit replay mode. Why is it in replay mode? Hold on, let me do this over here. No, it didn't work. There we go. Oh, guys, I had 2 trades I still need to put on my journal. I'm going to do that once we have a little less volatility. Right now we are moving though. So I'm going to just get locked in here. Oh, it kicked me out of my broker. Unauthorized error. Okay, there we go. It has some weird glitchy stuff here with trading view. Nope, and it kicked me out again. Bruh. Bruh. I'm going to have to calculate it by hand. All right, we are breaking below that point of control. We're testing it on ES, previous day point of control. Breaking below previous day value area low on NQ. I'm interested in some longs from down here. So I'm also going to stay locked in with that. So I need to make sure I have all my accounts ready. I'm going to try to mostly use, I want to try to use Tradeovate for copy trading. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I get out in all my accounts here. We got Lucid, Oh yeah, I bought more Lucid accounts. I forgot. Okay, so I need to buy one more Lucid account, and then I'll have a full stack. And I got my Tradeify. All right, so I'm gonna make sure I have all the sizings that I'm gonna want to use. So for my FundedNext accounts, I'm gonna size up to $300. For my 100Ks, I'm gonna size up to $600. And for my Lucid 50Ks, $300. I do have this Funded one though, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to copy trade the Funded into the 50K. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that up right now. So we're gonna do Lucid Funded. I'm gonna copy trade that into my other Lucid accounts. Okay. And I'll just 2x them. I'm going to try this other copy trader for the Lucid ones. And I have it set there. I'm going to risk on the Lucid $200 for the 25K. Well, we are really selling off here. I sure hope Zach is short right now. Oh, excuse me. All right, so W session in London, guys. I should have, could have, would have. I could have been up on the day. I really could have. At the end of the session, I'm down a little bit, and 2 of my winners, I was undersized on accident. One of them was completely undersized. So, I mean, it would have been the difference of being profitable or not on the session. So overall, W sesh, and I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to do my journaling in hindsight. So I'm gonna wait though, see what the market's doing here, and maybe I'll circle back and do my journaling instead of looking for a trade here. So just staying in the pocket here. We have some aggressive selling happening right now. I'm assuming there was some sort of news. Let's see. American struggle with student debt. No. How are we doing on SPCX? SPCX. $207. Not too shabby. What's up? We got Fede in the house. Good morning. Success. Good morning. Mala. Good morning. TradeFi. Let's go. Hey. And we got Nurjan. Good morning. He said game over. Look at this dump. So we have initial ballot set. I don't think I'm gonna be able to short, even though it looks pretty. Yeah, what's going on right now? Ebola. Tesla, SpaceX. What's doing this right now? Gold and silver lows. Gold is dumping. Let's look at the indices. I mean, sorry, the total market here. We got Google, Apple green on the day so far. Meta, Microsoft, Tesla down. We got Amazon up, Nvidia, Broadcom red, and the Nikkei is red. FDAX. Here, let me switch. Where do I want to see this? Right here. So let's just check these charts real quick. We're on the 30-minute. So FDAX, I really want to start trading the FDAX in London. YM, silver, ES, NQ, dumping. Wow, look at that dump, guys. Huge dump here. RTY, maybe we're going to fill this gap down here. Bitcoin, triple Qs, CL, really selling off. Gold selling off a little bit here. Rigetti selling off too. Man, I might have to buy the dip on some of these companies. Might have to buy the dip. So, what are we looking at? What are we looking at, team? How was going? Luna, it's going well, man. It's going well. I had a few surprise little business calls I had to take care of and do some stuff, run to the bank. So I was a little late. So guys, don't forget, comment on the reel right here to get entered in a giveaway. You can comment, you can get one entry on Instagram and you can get one entry on YouTube. So comment on both Instagram and YouTube. So we have the YouTube link right here and we have the Instagram link right here. And I appreciate you guys. Hit that like button. You know, we could even run more giveaways, but I got a lot of giveaways planned out here on the content. But we could do giveaways on stream too, but I want a lot of likes for that. So hit that like if you are watching. I appreciate that. And the subs. Super appreciate that. That is our lifeblood as streamers. What's up, Hermes? Good morning. Neo, good morning. Axel Futures, good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? How are you guys feeling about the markets? Maybe can you guys give me some... I feel like I need a little something. I need a little alpha. Anyone's got an alpha drop for me? What's moving these markets right now? What's this sell-off about? I'm gonna eat a cookie. Anyone got some hot tips for me today, guys? What's going on right now with these markets? What's going on with these markets? All right, ES is jumping back into the initial balance range. I mean, I might take a short here, guys. A VWAP continuation short. I was actually looking at that long originally here, but let's look at the short. So if we can hold below all these VWAPs and opening range low, stop loss up here somewhere. Yeah, pretty much. 14-point stop loss. I don't mind that. So for my VWAP accounts, that is going to be my FundedNext. So I can do 3 contracts times 5 accounts. That's 15 contracts. I'm going to be ready to go. Make sure I have my copy trader selected. We are all good. Bookmap on it, showing some heat up here at the 640s, 76.35, 76.40. We got about 1,400 lots between those two levels up here. So let's see if that can get swept. I mean, that's literally above where my stop loss would go on this. So that's a little bit scary. This would potentially also be a double break back into the range. So I'm going to try to be careful here. We're back in the initial balance. NQ and ES starting to turn or the curve back up, the volume, the delta. But I'm still interested in taking the short here. Let's see if we can tag the levels and reject. Okay, which VWAP do we want to tag? Well, I think I want to tag the New York VWAP for this trade. So without tagging that New York VWAP, this VWAP, I mean, what is this? I don't even know which VWAP that is. Oh, it's an anchored one. So that's from London. Yeah, I'm not going to use that to enter the trade, even though it looks like it is resisting it at the moment. I'm personally not going to use it for that. I want to see this New York VWAP reject. Even though this looks nice, this looks great to me, I need to see a little bit more. Guys, that might have been it, but if it is, then, you know, good on me for being disciplined. If that's it, good on me for being disciplined. If that's not it, good on me on being disciplined. Okay, we dropped orders. We have 700. Oh, never mind. They're still up there. So we still have about 1,500 lots up at these highs at 740. So that's kind of scary because that's right where my stop loss is. It's actually right above where my stop loss is. Man, I would love to be scalping this with minis. It'd be so fun. But fun isn't why we're trading, guys. We're trading to make money. So I would rather be disciplined, follow my plan, and know that I can repeat my process over and over again and wait for my setups than I would to try to have fun. Good morning, Balaji Trades. Jesus, good morning. What, this Evo bounce to mid? Yeah, so I was looking at that. We did get back into the initial balance PG, and I'm looking at 76.25 up here on NQ. It's actually rejecting right below this volume node. So that might have been the short right there, guys. But I wanted to see us tag the VWAP, the New York VWAP as my confluence. We did tag the London VWAP, and we are rejecting. So, yeah. Like I said, if we miss this trade, then good on me for being disciplined. You know, it's good that I could manage to not FOMO in. And if not, if it goes back up, then also good on me being disciplined, right? Because I might still get my entry. So that does look like a nice VWAP bounce though at the London IB. I mean, sorry, at the London VWAP, which was working really good at these lows here. So I actually kind of, I mean, in hindsight now it looks really good, right? I missed that good trade. It would have been from right here. 0.5R would be right here. We'll paper trade it. We'll paper trade it. Well, it's looking like I might have regrets here. NQ broke back down below the initial balance. ES looks to be following it, breaking down below previous day point of control at the moment. What's up, Mind to Millionaires? What's going on? What's up, Insane Football? Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. I'm doing good, man. I'm stoked that, dude, I got to stream with Steven Kalasian today. So it's like, man, I feel like I made it, you know. I don't know if that sounds like egotistical or something, but man, I'm stoked. I'm like, how did this happen? You know, I'm just a normal dude and decided to work really hard on my channel and on my trading for the last many years, you know. So it's to see that type of stuff paying off through the simple things, you know, like having a guest on that's a living legend. We played a little game, Rate My Setup. So yeah, I'm feeling, I mean, I'm just feeling kind of running on a high from it right now, and feel like some big goals paying off right now, and about to go to London and all of that. So I'm feeling really excited right now, and yeah, that's awesome. So I'm gonna try to use that momentum in a good way, you know, to make some good shows, make some good content, make some good trades, and just be locked in, right? Just locked in, confident, trading from that place. You know, whatever that is. Okay, I could have taken this and touched the London VWAP. Well, that's not what I wanted. London VWAP was mixed right there with London opening range low. So yeah, I definitely could have tried to take that. But I was looking for New York VWAP to get tagged, and it could still happen. So I'm just going to be super disciplined and take my trades when they show up. So one thing I'm cooking on right now, it'll probably make the next vlog, but I'm cooking on... I'm just going to pull a piece of paper. I found this old notebook that's like literally in my, when I moved, it was like from, here, let me show, let me share a trading view here. So here, guys, here's this New York VWAP. Sorry, I wasn't showing it. New York VWAP right here. So with the London VWAP got tagged, and it is with that opening range low. So that would have been a really beautiful, oh, that's London opening range low. So yeah. New York opening range low is a little bit higher. What's the structure here and the single print? Oh no, that's not a single print. That's the London IB candle body. I think that was something different. I'm going to delete that. So look at this London VWAP, and it teamed up with London opening range low. It looked like a really clean level where we reject it, and I guess we still, if that was my stop loss, let's see, 2 ticks above there, then we still haven't gotten our TP yet. So I'm going to paper trade this one just to watch and learn and practice my discipline in the meantime. If we do reject off New York VWAP, I'm going to be looking for this short. If we break back in, I mean, technically that could be a double break, but the New York VWAP is now officially below the opening range. So I will be looking for the short. I'll be looking for the short. Where ES is holding the initial balance low while NQ is rejecting, and we can see that the 5 EMAs, oh, here we go. Look at these 5 EMAs. If you look to the left of my ATOS screen, we're below them. We're below the 8, we're below the 24, we're below the 89, looking pretty bearish here. And we're below the current volume profile, but we're bouncing right at point of control on ES. We're below the previous day point of control on NQ. So NQ is looking a little bit more bearish. Earlier it was looking more bullish. So NQ is just looking a little more everything, right? A little more volatile. And let's go back here. So here we go, guys. Here we go. Look, still didn't hit that target. I'm just going to go ahead and draw that target on to see if we do hit it. And beyond that, though, I want to be locked in and ready to go if we do get this other trade idea. I'm just eating a bag of cookies for breakfast. I hope you don't blame me, guys. Look, I don't know what happened to me today, guys. I got chocolate with like a ton of caffeine in it. It's like coffee, dark chocolate coffee buzz bar with 70 milligrams of caffeine. I got a bag of cookies and I got a chocolate bar from Trader Joe's. Shout out. So I don't know what happened to me today. I'm eating chocolate. Hi, Luna. I won. I'm shifting toward future trading. Can you please help me? How should I start? So what I'm going to lean towards on this question is you can use ATOS for free. You know, it's not the most beginner. It doesn't look like the most beginner thing, but you can try it for a month for completely free with delayed data. So start on a paper account, practice and learn a strategy. Paper account and a strategy. So I would join someone's group or something where they're teaching a strategy if you don't already have one, or follow someone, you know, like whatever strategy that you like, someone you vibe with. You know, if you like the VWAP stuff, Austin Silver's group, you can get a free month and get all of his strategies there. And well, I shouldn't say all of his strategies, but a free month in the Black Shirt Club, and that comes with videos on his strategies. So you can do something like that and do it for free, and then use ATOS for free. And start for nothing, you know, start journaling your trades and getting a track record. So I have a whole course I'm kind of building out right now where I'm kind of looking at it backwards, where I'm saying practice execution first, which it's kind of the opposite. So you start for free and then do execution, get some reps, journal your trades, and start with like getting 20 trades journaled. Okay. And try to get consistent. It doesn't matter if you're winning or losing. Actually being consistently slightly losing is probably better than just being all over the place and maybe ending up green without a plan. So that's kind of my idea. Start building consistency and track your progress and go from there before you start spending money. And so you can try ATOS for free with my link for a month. Link in the description. What's up, Kelvin? Oh, you've been training CFD, so you have a little bit of a jump start. So you can totally get ATOS, free demo for a month, practice futures. It's delayed data, but that's fine. And it has good replay mode and everything like that. So you can even get bookmap on it, or not bookmap, but you can get heat map. So that's what I would do using that link, completely free demo account. Which ATOS is the jam diggity. Everything you need. Yeah, I'm leaning towards this whole thing of like not spending money. Like, how can we learn futures trading without spending any money? Not even on a prop firm. So looking into that more, Atos is one of the platforms that we get a free month for. So you could do a month there at least and try to track your 20 trades, 20 consistent trades or 30 trades or more. But following a strategy, practicing, and what type of trading do you think you vibe with more? Do you trade, do you like to scalp? Do you think holding your trades a little bigger R&R, like of the people you've watched? Do you like the idea of like locking your win, your base hit and locking it up? Or do you want to try to hold with trends? What are you kind of thinking? There's another step towards the goal. Yep. Steven's indicator's looking wild, but I think his course is nice. Yeah, I want to check out more of his content. I watched one of his bigger videos last night or yesterday. You want to day trade? Yeah, it's funny. I started trading with my real money. So I didn't paper trade, but actually there's no reason. Like if you can't be disciplined in a paper trade account, then why would, people would say, oh, but it doesn't, like I would think too. Yeah, you gotta have a little skin in the game. You gotta know what that's like. Well, maybe not for the first month. First month, just don't have any skin in the game. But practice that execution. Gather a statistics of something that you can repeat. So speaking of gathering statistics, I need to finish documenting my VWAP trades. So what did we do here, guys? This morning, I took a short and it worked. Okay, I took a short. Okay, so that short was right here. I only made like $40 per account. So that was 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, which equals 200 total. And then I took a little L town. Took the loss here for VWAP continuation. Huh. Wait, what? Oh, that's the last trade. Oh, so that's this one. So it was like a little bit more, it was like 46 or 47. I don't even know. So let's say 47, 47, 47, 47, 47. Okay. And then this one was the VWAP continuation. And I don't know. I hope I'm not messing this up. Oh yeah, there's a short. Okay. Okay, so here we go. We had London. VWAP. Reversal. Wait, what? Fib reversal? No. High of day continuation. So I took the long right here above the high of day VWAP 2, and that one failed. Okay, and then, but look how it got stopped out right at the bottom, man. That is tough here. Stopped right out before it went. So I kind of got a little bit of that loss back because of this, but I'm not going to count it. So I'm not going to count me getting the loss back. Really what I did on that, guys, I lost about $290 per account. Okay, so that was a minus 290, minus 290, minus 290, minus 290, minus 290. Hey Siri, what's minus 290 times 5? 1450. Okay. So then, well, I did make it. Should I? Yeah, no, the trade is to trade. So I'm going to keep it clean. I did make a little bit back right there. We don't have to talk about that, though. Don't tell Austin. And then I took the VWAP mid-range continuation. I don't know what to call it, mid-range trade. And I wish I'd capitalized more on that. So this one was a banger. Yep. There it is. That one, though, still didn't quite make enough on it, in my opinion. I don't know why I only made $65. Something's weird about that, but I have no clue why, and I'm not going to check into it right now. $65. See, I have no clue. See, my sizing's off this morning because I was trying to use this new indicator to size with. So that was 325. So guys, I kind of messed up today and had a big loser and small winners. And then, oh wow. Did we even take that one? I think we did. Oh no, 819. No, I was waiting for it. I don't think we took any more. Yep, that's it. Okay. Okay. One loser, two winners. MES. Okay, so just for a screenshot for the Black Shirt Club, I'm going to go ahead and title this in here, guys. Oh, we got the initial balance breakout here, but we're right at previous day mid on NQ, and we're right at previous day value area low on ES. I'm not going to take that trade, guys. I'm not going to take it. I might still look for this continuation VWAP bounce. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and document this. That one I'm going to delete. We don't have to talk about that one. And here it is. Okay, so then we had EMS 1 minute, London, high of day VWAP, high of day VWAP, break. And then I had the mid-range MES 1 minute London mid-range VWAP W. Oh, and that's also a long. There we go, guys. I just journaled this in the ASFX Discord that I'm in now. And I'm going to stay locked in here, guys. Where we at? Where we at? Okay. Okay, so we are back in this range in ES, but not on NQ. I'm still open to this short. I'm still open to this short. We're below the opening range on ES and on NQ. We're below the New York VWAP. So if we tap that VWAP, then I'm interested in this short. So it's going to be 3 contracts on my VWAP accounts per account. So that's 15 contracts. I'm going to be ready and locked in. Do you still invest in crypto? I see your video on ASFX podcast. Yeah, I do a little bit. I was trying to stream crypto and no one would follow me. I was up like 25% and then I publicly sold my crypto. So I haven't been focused on it lately. Yeah, you can get my journal in the Discords, which LunaMod already dropped. You can get it in the Discord or DM Luna Journal on Instagram. Yeah, guys, so I'm trying to spread the giveaways between all my socials, to get more followers and stuff. And so make sure you're tuned in, guys. We got an email list. We have Instagram, X, YouTube. Right now I'm kind of doing a push, I'm trying to expand and grow, so I really appreciate it. It supports me by following and doing all these things. I know it's like a lot to ask for, but I'm going to try to make it worth it where I'm giving away free accounts and that type of stuff. So. Oh, so look, that short would have paid out, but just barely. We have a little divergence between ES and NQ down at these lows, a little 5-minute divergence. A lot of trapped sellers down there on NQ. Let's see if the selling holds right now. Meanwhile, we are above initial balance low right now, but not above it on NQ. Here's this divergence I was just talking about on Atos. You can see, look at these low, look at that divergence right there and right here. All right, let's look at NQ TPO chart. Wow, that looks very interesting. A little tail. I'm kind of expecting it to chop back up here a little bit. We do have a single print type vibe topping tail, we could call it, up here. I don't know how to get these graphics better. I mean, maybe I just have to go to the 1-minute chart or something. Yeah, that's what it is. Look, I have to do the different time frames. There we go. Iran's top negotiator in call with Lebanon's parliament speaker. Israel must withdraw from the occupied areas in Lebanon. People of southern Lebanon must return to their homes. I'm sitting here drinking coffee, but I don't think I should be drinking any more caffeine because last night I did not sleep well, guys. So guys, you get an entry for each one on YouTube and Instagram. It's the same reel, but I'm giving you a chance to get 2 different entries here. So here we go, guys. Check this out. We're about to test. We got 2 seconds on this candle. Okay, let's see if we get one more to tag our VWAP. It's looking like a potential reversal area here. Oh. Let's switch up the tunes, I guess. No dice. Guys, vlog 5 has a surprise. Vlog 5 has a surprise. Oh man, I got this out to write something and I forgot what I was gonna write. Ay, ay, ay. All right, here we go. Anyone watch the new vlog already? Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think. I mean, I know we're just getting started. It's hard to compete with what's out there, but you know, baby steps, baby steps. Every time we're hoping to make it a little bit better and a little bit better. It was fire, bro. Oh man, thank you, Brick. I appreciate that. It's like it's just the beginning. It's just the beginning, you know. Have to start somewhere. And guys, big big shout out, guys, to Luna Mod is the editor. Luna Mod's the editor, guys. You don't even know, dude. I'm over here texting Luna Mod at all hours of the day. So Luna Mod is a big part of the channel at this point. And I mean, pretty quick, guys. Lunamod joined the team, right? How long has it been? 3 months or something? 4 months? And he's like doing everything with me, you know? He's like my partner in everything. So, and just to have that support, even the emotional support, you know, to have someone I can ask, oh, what did we do here? What's going on? So, big ups to Lunamod and all the work he's been doing. I think it's gonna pay off big for the channel. Yeah, I don't think Lunamod had ever edited it before. You know, he'd started here. So as far as I know, I don't think he has at all. Nice that you enjoyed the event. Thank you. Yeah, I know, right? It's pretty crazy. Great editing. There we go. Let's go, guys. You know, we're just learning as we go. We figure it out as we go. We learn as we go here. And that's a testament, though, that anyone can do it, guys. Whatever that is, build a YouTube channel, build a business, you know, trade, learn to trade better. I've been getting better and better, you know. I have a long way to go, I feel like, but I see the progress. We're stacking those green days one at a time, one at a time. Oh yeah, so I remember what I was going to say. So what I'm looking at here, guys, is I got 5 times FundedNext accounts, and those are for VWAP. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm curious your guys' thoughts too. And then we got 5 times Lucid, and I'm thinking to just do those for the initial balance breakouts, guys, and start also focusing on the EBOs again. And then we have 5 Tradeify, which are for the 30-minute flip. So that's what I'm working with right now, guys. That's 15 accounts. Let's get them all funded. And then my next goal is going to be 20 times Apex accounts. Okay, and 20 times Apex accounts. I forget. Let me open up Claude. What is my target here? Dude, I think I had too much caffeine today, guys. So I did a caffeine fast the past week. And then right now I'm like on coffee 2 or 3 and I'm buzzing. All right, so here's my plan. Here's my plan. 20 accounts, 20 Apex accounts. ROI 1,300% is the plan. So what can be that first payout? So let's see. I want to compare these two types of accounts, guys, the 50K and the 100K, and see what can get how the payout structure works. All right, guys, we got hyper focus song. Let's crank it up. Tell me if it's too loud, but man, I'm gonna crank it up. I forgot about these. I'm just looking at that. Okay, so what we're looking at here, guys, it still looks pretty bearish to me. We're holding below these EMAs. We have reactive selling happening on ES and NQ, a little bit of responsive sellers stepping in here on ES as we clear through that 8 EMA and tested the 24 almost. And meanwhile, though, we are testing still below the initial balance on ES, and we're well below the initial balance on NQ. So I could take this initial balance breakout on the 15-minute. Is how I normally have been doing it. We close back up though. Okay, I'm gonna lock this in on the 15. Oops, there we go. I'm tempted to start testing it on the 30. You know what? I kind of like it, guys. I kind of like it if we make the break down here, but the problem is we have previous day value area low in the way. But I'm liking it more and more watching how this is. Because if we do reject down here, I think we can move in this other bottom node and hit our first initial bounce target down at 75.87. So I'm interested in this. We also have previous day mid down here. So man, we could sweep it and reject. So I don't know. Maybe this is just where you have to put your stop down quick or something. Go look at my channel in Discord. Uh-oh. Oh, we got a track? Oh, should I play it live on stream for the first time here? Hold on, guys. We're about to maybe make a little breakout here. All right, so I can do 20 lots on Lucid. All right, hold on. Let me get this trade up, and then we're going to play the song from Brick. Okay, this is dope. Guys, I'm missing a Lucid account, I guess. Okay. All right, guys. All right, this is tight. We're going to have to play this. All right, hold on. Let me download it, and we'll listen to it on stream together. Okay, guys, I'm going to take this initial balance breakout short. I have, we're moving below. Yeah, I have full confluence alignment. Here. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. There we go. Let's just get this front and center. I have room on this. So 50, 80. So somewhere around 80 is my 0.5R. Yeah, so that 20 apex is going to be lit, guys. Okay, let me bust this open here. Let's see what we got. Can I just drag and drop? That'd be dope. Oh, can I? All right, here we go. My entry is a little sketch.
London bells start pulling through. Levels marked by a set. Every box check, no regret. No guessing game, no hero play. Just another morning in the lunar trades way. Eyes on structure, calm and slow. Let the clean setup tell them where to go. Patience in the pocket, hands off the wheel. Waiting on the setup that actually feels real. No fear, no FOMO, no rush to prove. The market pays the trader who can sit and move. Lunar traders, ride the flow. From London open to New York low. IB breakout, let it show.
Let's see if the copy trader works.
Lunar traders, never chase. Checklist first and take your place. One clean
For records.
all it takes. Discipline deposits what emotion breaks. Volume wakes the whole room up. He's watching how the range gives up. Green or red, it don't mean much. Edge comes alive in the disciplined touch. Stops are set before it starts. Protect the stack, protect the heart. Some days fast, some days slow. Consistency is how the strong ones grow. The crowd gets loud when the candles run. Chasing momentum ain't never fun. Wait for the signal, trust the design. Best opportunities show up on time. Lunar chase, ride the flow.
So we got some targets down here at, we got targets sitting at, next target is at 50, 75.88 and 95 and 602. So maybe 600.
One clean move, that's all it takes. Discipline deposits what emotion breaks.
All right, next stop. Let's get through that 602, or sorry, 603, 603.50. 603.50.
Every session tells a different tale, but rules and structure never fail. The edge ain't magic, the edge is routine. Doing simple things over years unseen. Trade by trade, stack by stack. Trust the process and don't look back.
Man, this is my new favorite tune, for real.
That's the name they know. London open, New York show. IB breakout.
Wait, what happened?
The level speak. Strong and patient, never chasing peaks. Lunar trade.
Guys, why did this trade close? Is that account toast?
The market rewards what the patient makes. Discipline deposits what
Where are my other Lucid accounts, though? Guys. I need to buy some more Lucids. I'm gonna keep this stop tight. I'm gonna grab some more Lucids. Dope song. It's like a full song too. It has like multiple verses and stuff. It's awesome. Sick. All right, let's get these other Lucid accounts. So what's going on here? Okay, I guess I didn't buy enough of them, so I'm gonna buy a few more. Guys, big shout out Lucid. So pretty cool system here. I'm going to be able to give you guys more giveaways. So the more people who use code Luna on Lucid, the more giveaways they're going to give me. So I got my first two here. So I'm going to go ahead and, man, these people who give a lot of giveaways, they must be making a lot of money because I just got my first two after advertising this for quite a while. So that's crazy. But yeah, that's insane to think about how much some people are making on their affiliate sales. Good on them. So guys, we got Lucid giveaways. We're gonna run one of them for the vlog number 5. I'm gonna go ahead and buy. Let's see. Okay, so we got these codes. I'm just gonna buy another one. I could use these codes for myself, but I'm gonna use them for giveaways. And I'm gonna go back to my account and I'm gonna buy Lucid Flex. Code Luna for the best deal. Oh, let's check what happened with the VWAP. Nothing on VWAP. Order successful. I'm going to buy one more. Code Luna for the best deal once again. If it's your first accounts on Lucid, you get a few for 50% off. And then right now, I think the deal's like 30% off. But it will give you your first ones for a better deal. At least that's what they were before. I'm pretty sure it's still the same. So here we go, guys. I bought 2 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, plus the one I already have for the 25K. Wait, is my... Oh, because it's a funded account. Okay, that's why. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in these other Lucid accounts too. Right, we're short 2. So I'm going to go to Lucid on Trade of 8. Quick. Two lots, right? Yeah, 2 lots. Man, I almost got a better entry up here. Let's see. Nope. Okay, 2 in. 2 in. Oh, okay. 2 more. And 2. All right, there we have it. Oh, I need to reset this for the copy trader to work. Oh, no. Okay, let me see what I'm going to have to do about this. I hope it still works. All my orders on and everything. Come on. Come on now. Oh, geez Louise, guys. It's not letting me connect. Okay, I got to be ready because, man, I might have to use a manual stop here. Because my Ninja... See, this is why I rage about these copy traders now. Guys, now it's not letting me sign into my account on NinjaTrader. I literally just disconnect it. I'm trying to reconnect. I have orders open and nothing. It's not connecting. Look at this, guys. It's just not connecting now. That's crazy. I don't know what to do. I could just close the position. I'm going to be ready to close manually. If I get ripped by a Trump tweet or something, then I don't know what, that's that. They're just they're evals, but well, except for one of them is a funded. Guys, I have no clue what's going on. Maybe trade evade's down. Is it because I'm logged in the account? I'm not going to log out of the account. Okay, so I'm going to use the exit all positions. If we go into profit, okay, exit all positions because NinjaTrader is totally failing me. Here we go. Okay, guys, I don't know what else to do here, so we're going to wing it here. So I want anything more than 0.5 R. So if we pass through this, guys, I'm just going to try to get ready to exit. Oh, wow. Okay, some of the orders are actually still on here. Okay, so I'm going to manage the funded account first, and then I'll exit the other ones manually. It looks good though. We got some sellers stepping in up here at the 75.48. Don't see anything crazy on Bookmap. Those big sellers are gone. Or it's like overhead resistance, it looked like. Huh. It's not letting me log in now, so I'm going to just use Trade Evade and hit cancel all if we go to my stop or if we go to a target. Oh, wow, there is a target still on here too. Oh, so my full IB breakout target is at 75.88. So I'm just going to set it there, 75.88. All right, let's get some music going again, and I'm going to check chat. Yo, what's up, African Indian? Wow, I should have done it on NQ, guys. Today, NQ's been leading the way up and down. I kind of like though that I'm just trading mostly. Yeah, the most confidence in the consistency. NQ is below previous day mid. That's exactly what I want to see, guys. This is looking really juicy still. It looks fine. It looks good. Why it's crazy that that NinjaTrader won't let me log into Lucid now that all those orders are on. Ain't that crazy? Ain't that crazy? So this is an initial balance breakout. I haven't taken one for a little bit. Started the day red, -7.8. Now I'm up 8.79. Hermes, my man. Let's go. All day. Hold up. Guys, my mother's at my house. So maybe we can... Here we go. Sell off, sell off, sell off. Here we go, guys. Back into profit town. Almost. I spoke too soon. So let's actually take a screenshot, though. So this was based on the 15-minute time frame. Right, this is a initial balance breakout short as to my rules. And we will go ahead and take that screenshot. My favorite target here is that full target is to 88. Right there. But we have we have previous day mid in the way. And I'm just getting a lot of phone activity today. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and journal this trade here. We got, it is one of the accounts is funded. So I have to put it here. And wow, what is this? I don't know what's going on with that, guys. I don't think those are actual trades. I think that was supposed to go to my VWAP section. So we have initial balance breakout on the 16th, New York. This is in my Lucid Flex account, 25K. We have MES. It is initial balance breakout. We're taking this on a scalper continuation trade from from initial balance low, short. VWAP is above us and angled down. I hope it is, at least. I hope it is. Yes, it is. Look at that clean VWAP alignment. This looks heavy, guys. I've said that before and been wrong, though. So this is not financial advice, guys. Do not copy trade me. Learn for yourself to do the trade and then take it on your own if you want to take it, you know? If you don't want to take it, then choose for yourself. I haven't taken any initial bounce breakouts lately. Here we go. So guys, just a reminder here, I'm going to follow my scalping rules. So I'm pretty much looking for anything past 99.50. I wouldn't mind getting this all the way down to previous day mid though. So 95. I think we can get 95 here. I think we can get 95. This previous day value low, it's not like a line in the sand like the way I use it, even though it was kind of holding as resistance. So really what I need is at least 99.50, 99.50. Let's go 99.50. Here it comes. I do think we can just blast through it, guys. I'm going to try to hold it a little bit. It's just a 25K. Here it is. It's struggling right at my level. There it goes. Keep going. I didn't lock it in yet. I think it can keep going. So I'm not locking this in. I'm not being stingy with this one. It's just my 25K account. It's down a little bit, so I'm a little bit more aggressive. There are some buyers sipping in there. It doesn't look too bad though. Well, I had it. I'm kind of feeling like letting this one kind of play out a little bit. We had my first target for the 5.5R. But I don't know what's going on. Maybe my fill wasn't as good or something. No, my fill was fine. Huh. The reason I said I don't know what's going on is because the P&L seems low, but I'm going to try to be good about not trading the P&L and just taking my trades, guys. If I'm scalping, I'm scalping. I'm going to take it and run, take my money and run, right? Okay, we're bouncing. That was my statistical 0.5R scalp right there. I'm trading the level, not my P&L, I hope. That's what I'm telling myself at least. I'm looking for that previous day mid. Okay, now we're bouncing back above that previous day value area low. Not what I want to see hold here. That volume profile is strong here. It is strong here. Can we get a little wick down, test this other node or no? All right. Maybe the shorts are reloading here. So maybe I should have taken my profit and gotten back in. I do think we can hit this target. So it's not that much further down either. I don't like this previous day value area low. The fact that we trade it below it and then bounce back up. Yeah, look where we tested in right here. We tested in previous day levels zone. I think we can keep going here. I almost just want to walk away and let it go, you know, do like a set it and forget it vibe. NQ is really selling off, guys. I wish I had taken this on NQ again for like the third time today. My NQ trade would have been better than ES. And now we are bouncing here. We're going to retest my entry level right here. Meanwhile, NQ is just ripping, guys. ripping to the downside. Huh. Well, maybe I failed. Maybe I failed, guys. Look, I got my 0.5R. I didn't lock it in. 1, 2, 3 ticks below. Just being a little patient. The thing is, I can always get back in if I really wanted to. Take the scalp, re-enter. Uh-oh. Definitely not what I want to see here. All right, let's keep the music going. Let's keep the music going. Keep it calm. Not what I want to see here. Meanwhile, NQ hasn't really stopped selling, guys. The volume is going down. We're making a no divergence. Man, I might have missed my exit. It's okay. I might have missed my exit on that one. Let's see if this trend holds here, this downtrend. Reject this initial bounce low, please. See if these responsive buyers step in up here at the 24 EMA, sitting at 75.48.50. Responsive sellers, it's time. It's your time to shine. Hey Luna, have you looked at Edgeful? Been trying to add Mr. Zink strategy. I have never looked at Edgeful actually, to be honest. Hey, I am Mag. Do you remember me? Mag? Mm-mm. Oh, MNG. Of course I remember you. Yeah. Not what we want to see here. Squeezing. Back to previous day point of control. Man, I could have taken my 0.5. All right, we're getting close to that stop now. Oh, we're testing that previous day point of control volume. Hopefully this is where we reject. I like my stop loss placement at this point, above this volume node, above VWAP, above previous day point of control. Now's the time. Man, if we claim here, I don't want that. It's not what I want. Let's stay below previous A point of control, okay? Okay, yes. The thing is, like, I wanted my level, but it could have still gone. You know, I could trail the stop and it can keep going, or it can stop me. You know, it just because I trail my stop at the 0.5R doesn't mean I'm always going to get tagged out. So I want to be a little bit quicker to do that, maybe. But of course, I'm going to say that when I get the loser. I'm not going to say that where it chops and then goes all the way. So I have to let it play out. But it doesn't look good right now. It looks like we're maybe going to get a little squeeze. Yep, here we go. Popping these highs here. We got a lot of sellers right under us too that got squeezed. If we can get back below them, that'd be nice. Otherwise, it's looking like the squeeze is in. Yep. How's everyone's P&L on the day? Green or red? Green or red? Drop it in chat. All right, here we go. We're moving towards the stop losses. I'm going to be ready to exit all because I don't have the stops on all of these. I guess I could just go through and put them on manually. Where's my stop supposed to be at? 20, 620 or something like that. I'm just going to do it manually. There we go. I put the stops in manually. Nice. Professional. All right, well, it feels good having my stops in at least. I can kind of relax. It is 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or p.m. now. 12 p.m., guys, on the dot here. Well, in 25 seconds. So it's top of the hour, lunchtime. Top of the hour, lunchtime. Still not stopped. Back below initial balance, which is really nice. Back below these EMAs, which is really nice. We have the responsive sellers I was speaking of here. If we look at Atos, we can see them right here. This is where they're at. They stepped in right above that 24. And hopefully we can stay below these buyers here. Oh. Guys, it's a little sketch. This is a sketchy spot right now. Of course, I'm wishing I had taken that profit. There you go, MGC green. Let's go. All right, guys, we're about to get stopped out. Here we go. Here's the stop. The thing with these accounts is since it's mostly evals, I kind of am okay going for the bigger target a little bit on the evals. Like that's kind of my idea. Like try to make it go a little bit quicker by holding for the TP. The fact that we bounced back up here above previous day value area low is actually one of my planned trade ideas today. So this 30-minute candle close, man, this could be actually a setup right now that is playing out. So literally, I have a long here, above point of control. Oh, we closed though below point of control. Yeah, so I don't really have a long, but we have the previous day value area low, long back up to previous day value area high type of idea, like value area rotation. So, but we didn't close below point of control, so I'm gonna sit on my hands. I'm ready to hit exit all just in case those stops are not right, but I think we got stops on all of these accounts. NQ is still below previous day mid, which I like. We're just a few ticks away though from, or 2 points away from my stop loss, so I'm kind of expecting it to stop out. Look at this back up into IB also. So we have the initial balance here. I shouldn't drink any more coffee. I'm cut off. Here we go. Stop in 1 point. Some sellers actually step in here on ES. NQ though, a little stronger looking. Here we go. Stops are getting popped. So close. 2 ticks away, 1 tick away, and still teasing me here. In not a good way, a bad tease. We don't really like being teased. We don't really like being teased. Guys, it was so funny on stream the other day. I was talking about how I have so many laptops. I'm actually thinking about going and getting a new MacBook. So this one's an M2, but the M5 is out, and for streaming while traveling, I'm kind of thinking about the upgrade. There's also the like ZenBook Duo, the Asus ZenBook Duo. So I'm trying to decide. I did order some travel monitors though that come in the mail today. So I'm thinking about grabbing that M5 MacBook Pro business expense, so I can know that I can handle all this stuff, the new Atos, Bookmap, everything, because this computer actually only has 16 gigabytes of RAM, which actually, I know that used to sound like a lot. It doesn't sound like a lot anymore. We need the ramification. Oh, so I'm gonna just live off of cookies this morning. Oh, Christine. Okay, I gotta message Christine too. We're still in the trade. Go, 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 go. Oh, guys, I'm just messaging the giveaway winner from the other day. I think that was from, I think this was from Friday. Guys, let's just not get stopped and let's go back down. How about that? How about that? Yo, what's up, Garu? What's good? Been a while since you joined your stream. I join every day, Monday through Friday. Thank you, though. Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys, maybe we should put it back on this one. It's kind of, I'm not too convinced on this going back down here. We are holding the VWAP. We're holding that previous day point of control, holding previous day mid, previous day value area low, all the things. So I don't know about this one. It's about to be order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled. All I had to do was drop my stop down, guys, and I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I could have been in the W trade, and now I'm in the L trade. Order filled. Nope. One tick. Yep, we're out. We're out on all of them. Only one of them was funded, so it's $140 on the funded. No personal accounts or anything, guys. I'm kind of chilling out this week a little bit with FOMC tomorrow. So, guys, remember, tomorrow we have FOMC. We have rollover week, right? So the contract's over, and then Friday's a bank holiday. So, guys, it's a kind of special type of week where I'm going a little bit easy on sizing, on accounts, and all of that. So we got to stay locked in here and make sure we trade it appropriately. So I hope all of you guys get a chance to win one of these cool giveaways we have coming up. We have one more time, if you can drop it, Luna Mod. You get one entry for commenting on the Instagram reel, the 200K reel, and you get one entry for commenting on the YouTube 200K reel. So we got the same reel on YouTube and Instagram. Put a comment on each of those, and you'll get an entry for each. And we'll pull that giveaway tomorrow, guys. So that giveaway is for tomorrow, okay? And we need to make some posts about that too. And we need to post in both the Discords, if you can help me with that, Luna Mod. And then we have Thursday. I'm hoping to run the FundedNext giveaway. I haven't heard back from them yet. But so you get 10 entries for the next 4 giveaways by signing up with my link to Funded Futures. You don't have to buy anything. Just use my link to sign up. If you already signed up, there's all these other giveaways, so don't worry about it. And then also, we're going to pull a winner on Friday for a Lucid account from vlog number 5. Watch vlog number 5, follow the instructions, specific instructions, and then you will get entered into the Lucid giveaway. So that's going to be it, guys. Thank you all for watching. W's in the chat. And should you write the FundedNext giveaway in your videos? No, I don't know what I don't know, man. I have no clue what you're saying, to be honest. Should you write FundedNext giveaway in my videos? No. Just follow the instructions, guys. The instructions are they should be in the description. If they're not, we need to update the description to have all the current instructions. But I'll say it one more time. I just said it. Instagram and YouTube. Okay, you get one entry to win an account tomorrow. It's going to be a TOF account, an elite daily challenge. That is an elite challenge, 50K. So you get one entry from the YouTube reel about the 200K trade. You get one entry from the IG reel about the 200K trade. Okay, then Thursday, I'm hoping to run the FundedNext. I'm waiting to hear back from the team. But that one you enter by signing up with my link to FundedNext, and you get 10 entries into 4 different giveaways. And then Friday, you can also get entries into that one by emailing. The instructions are in the description, but you email lunaTradesGiveaway@gmail.com for the FundedNext, and put FundedNext giveaway, and you get an extra entry too. Send a receipt of using code Luna at checkout, and I will verify that it did go through. You know, you didn't do like a reversal transaction and pretend to buy a bunch of accounts or something. So I will verify that. So you can get extra entries if you want when you use code Luna. on the Thursday giveaway. And then vlog 5, we're doing a Lucid account. Follow the instructions that are in the video. You have to watch the whole video because I drop it throughout the video. You'll see what I mean. So vlog 5 on Friday. So see, we got giveaways spread out. Pay attention to that. We're going to try to keep the schedule posted as well. And maybe we can keep it in the descriptions as each video comes out. We'll have them in the description. So guys, thanks for watching. And that is going to be it. I will see you guys soon. Peace out.
Sunrise glow, fresh chart view, London bells start pulling through, levels marked by a set, every box checked, no regret, no guessing game, no hero play, just another morning in the lunar trades way, eyes on structure, calm and slow, let the clean setup tell them where to go. Patience in the pocket, hands off the wheel, waiting on a setup that actually feels real. No fear, no FOMO, no rush to prove. The market pays the trader who can sit and move. Lunar traders, ride the flow, from London open to New York low. One clean move and let it go. Lunar traders, never chase, checklist first and take your place. One clean move, that's all it takes. Discipline deposits what emotion breaks. Volume wakes the whole room up. He's watching how the range gives up. Green or red, it don't mean much. Edge comes alive in the disciplined touch. Stops a set before it starts. Protect the stack, protect the heart. Some days fast, some days slow. Consistency is how the strong ones grow. The crowd gets loud when the candles run. Chasing momentum ain't never fun. Wait for the signal, trust the design. Best opportunities show up on time. Lunar trades, ride the flow. From London open to New York low. IB breakout, let it show. One clean move and let it go. Lunar trades, never chase, checklist first and take your place. One clean move, that's all it takes. Discipline deposits what emotion breaks. Steam off the mud, eyes on the screen, calm in the chaos, steady and clean. Every session tells a different tale, but rules and structure never fail. The edge ain't magic, the edge is routine, doing simple things over years unseen. Trade by trade, stack by stack, trust the process and don't look back. Lunar trades, that's the name they know. London open, New York show. IB breakout, let the level speak. Strong and patient, never chasing peaks. Lunar trades, one more take. When the setup's right, he'll line it straight. The market rewards what the patient makes. Discipline deposits what emotion